Hello everyone, welcome back to Fixtronics. So today we will be looking at this PlayStation 4 Pro Edition, which came in for no power. So if I turn on the power, so when I turn it on, you will hear it beeping one time. Look, and it's getting blue light and then it turns off straight away. Then if I keep pressing this power button, it will not do anything. Okay, and also if I press the CD extraction button, it does not do anything. So it beeps just one time and then nothing. So let's open it and see what's wrong with it. Okay. So it's pretty dirty, but this is not our concern now. There is a missing screws, 1, 2. We have only 1, 2, 3. Let's take them out. So this is the power supply. If we pull it, it should come out. It should come out. Let's first open the other side cover. It's also missing its screw. Okay, let me take out the hard drive. There is a lot of missing screws right here. So if we take out this shield, so the power supply is out. Let me just take its connection. Okay, so here's the power supply. The power supply looks good. this big capacitor is not bulging, so it's looking good. So let's test this motherboard. Let's first take it all out. Oh, look at this. So found the problem. The problem is this pin that goes from the power supply to the motherboard is bent. So this is the problem. Wow, you didn't notice that first. So I'll put it back and then we'll test it. Okay, let me just put it back. I think we should be good now if we install the power supply and test it. Okay, so it's back just enough to test it. Let's install the HDMI and the power cord. We should have a display here. So this is the microscope. When I turn this on, it should change over to this PlayStation output. So it's on. Let's power on, and it powers on. Yes, it's turning on. Will we have a picture? Let's wait for it. Maybe it will restart. Yeah, it's restarting. I'm waiting for the picture. Yeah, we have a picture. As you can see, we managed to fix this PlayStation 4 Pro Edition just by straightening that power supply pin. So now I can call this a fix. I will clean it a little bit and then it's ready for the customer. Thank you for watching, and I hope I can see you in another video.